Oh no. Josh, no! Oh no. Oh no. Josh. I didn't touch it. Really, Josh? I barely touched it. Josh, stop! It was already falling, I think. Maybe.
Hey, you two, don't move!
Okay, today we are going to Elmsworth Museum. I want everyone ready by 9.
Mom, what's a museum? It's a building full of old things and you're not allowed to touch anything.
That sounds boring.
Josh, museums are not boring, they're fascinating.
What's fascinating?
It means very, very interesting.
Is it more interesting than the zoo?
It's a different kind of interesting.
Is it more interesting than the farm?
Josh?
Is it more interesting than literally anything?
Josh, there are dinosaur bones. Real ones.
Real bones?
Yes, real bones. Okay, I'm interested, but I want it on record that I was against this.
Noted. What does noted mean?
It means she heard you and doesn't care.
Mira, really?
I'm just explaining vocabulary, Mom.
Okay, explain it correctly. Don't put words into my mouth.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, nappies for Ella, snacks for Josh and Mira,
What kind of snacks?
crackers and apple slices.
Can I have crisps?
No,
Why not?
because you'll eat them in the first 10 minutes and then ask for more for the rest of the day.
That's accurate, but still unfair.
Crackers and apple, final answer.
He knows me too well. We all know you too well, Josh.
Take the next exit, Elmsworth North.
Got it.
Are we nearly there?
We've been in the car for 10 minutes, Josh.
That feels like a lot.
Josh, we have 30 more minutes.
Oh no, 30 minutes. You could sleep.
I'm not tired, I'm just bored.
You could look out the window.
I've been doing that for so long. You could read I Can Borrow You one of my books. It's really interesting. I hope the book is not boring. Can I see that one?
Okay, here, take this. You will like it.
Josh, do you know what a museum does? Why they exist?
To put old stuff in?
Sort of. Museums collect important things from history, science, art, and they keep them safe so everyone can see them forever.
Forever?
Well, for a very long time.
So the dinosaur bones, they've been there for ages?
The dinosaur bones have been in the ground for millions of years. Scientists found them, dug them up very carefully, and brought them to museums so we can all learn from them.
Millions of years? Were there people then?
No humans at all, just dinosaurs and other animals.
What happened to the dinosaurs?
A huge asteroid hit the Earth.
What's an asteroid?
A giant rock from space crashed into Earth about 66 million years ago. The crash caused massive fires and a huge cloud of dust that blocked the sun. Without sunlight, plants died. Without plants, animals had nothing to eat.
So they all just died?
Most of them, yes.
That's the saddest thing I've ever heard.
Birds are actually dinosaurs. They evolved from them, so dinosaurs aren't completely gone.
So pigeons are dinosaurs?
Technically, yeah.
Wow, it's huge.
Elmsworth Museum, one of the best in the country.
It has 4 floors: ancient history, natural history, science and technology, and modern art. How do you know that? I researched it.
Of course you always do. You are really smart. I'm happy you are my sister.
Oh, okay, let's go explore.
2 adults, 2 children, and 1 baby, please. Of course, the baby is free. That's £22, please. And here are your maps.
Oh, thank you so much.
I want to navigate.
Josh, you can't read maps.
I can absolutely read maps.
Last time you navigated, we ended up behind a supermarket.
That was one time.
He's right, Mira. Let Josh navigate.
Okay, Dad. Right, so we are here. Mom, look, he's holding it upside down.
I know. Let him figure it out.
That's it, buddy. Good job.
Whoa. Okay, that is actually amazing. It's so big.
That's a diplodocus, one of the longest dinosaurs that ever lived, about 26 meters from head to tail.
26 meters? That's like our whole street?
Probably, yes.
How did it eat? Its head is so small.
It ate plants, leaves from the tops of very tall trees. Its long neck helped it reach up high. You're incredible, you know that? You're genuinely incredible.
Are you talking to the skeleton?
I'm paying my respects, Mira. It's been through a lot. Stay close, everyone. Don't touch the glass.
I know, I am not going to touch anything.
This is incredible. Roman coins from 200 AD found right here in Elmsworth. Wow.
Romans were in Britain for nearly 400 years.
That's right. They built roads, towns, baths. A lot of modern England is built on Roman foundations.
They look so old.
They are old, love, 1800 years old.
Dad, were the Romans good or bad?
That's a very big question. They built a lot. Roads, hospitals, clean water systems. But they also conquered people by force. Many people suffered.
So both good and bad.
Most things in history are both.
Like how Grandpa says people are complicated. Exactly like that.
Mummies! Josh, come look at this. Is that a real person? It was 3,000 years ago. That's a real person in there?
Yes, ancient Egyptians believed in life after death. They preserved the body very carefully so the person's spirit could return to it.
They thought you could come back?
They believed it strongly. They spent enormous amounts of time and money preparing for death, building tombs, filling them with food, furniture, gold.
Gold? In the tombs?
Treasure, yes. Things they thought the person would need in the next life.
That's actually quite nice. Making sure someone has everything they need. That's a surprisingly kind way to think about it. I think about things kindly sometimes.
Josh, stay where I can see you.
Okay, Mom, I'm just looking at the next bit.
Please, stay close.
Okay, I will. Josh, Mum said stay close.
I am close. I'm in the next room.
That's not what close means.
What's this?
It says, Elmsworth Town Clock Model, 1887, original design by architect Frederick Holt, do not touch.
It's a model of a clock tower. It's so detailed. Look at the tiny windows. Don't touch it, Josh! I'm not touching it. You're leaning very close. I'm looking. Your nose is almost on it. I have a big nose. That's not my fault.
Josh, your elbow. What about my...
Oh. Oh no.
Josh, no!
Crash. Oh no. Oh no. Josh. I didn't touch it. Really, Josh. I barely touched it. Josh, stop! It was already falling, I think. Maybe.
Hey, you two, don't move!
I am going to tell them it was you. Mira, we are family. I am going to tell them your full name because I told you earlier not to touch it. Mira, please.
Which one of you did this?
Dat.
Oh no!
Ella, you were supposed to...
I need your parents. Where are your parents?
There, those are our parents, right there.
Your loyalty is breathtaking.
What happened? We heard a... Oh no. Is this your son, sir? Yes, he is. Your son has damaged a museum exhibit, but the 1887 Elmsworth clock tower model. Josh, what happened?
I was just looking.
Dad, I didn't touch it. My elbow maybe moved near it.
Your elbow moved near it.
Possibly in its direction.
Right.
Okay. I'm so sorry. We're the parents. Can you tell us what the procedure is?
I need to call the curator. Please wait here.
What's a curator?
The person in charge of the museum's collection. Are they going to be angry? Probably, Josh. Yes. How angry? We'll see. On a scale of 1 to 10? Josh, stop talking and wait.
It was an accident! Unacceptable.
Come on, let's go.
Everyone, please stay back.
Everyone is staring at us. I know. This is the most embarrassing moment of my life. I feel like that's dramatic. Josh, there are 30 people looking at us right now. 14. What? There are 14 people, not 30, I counted. That is not the point. I see. The clock tower model.
We're so sorry, deeply sorry. Our son was...
How old is he?
9.
What's your name?
Josh.
Josh, can you tell me exactly what happened?
I was looking at it, I wanted to see the tiny windows.
So you were breaking a rule. Even if you didn't touch it, you were too close.
Yes.
The model is from 1887. It's a replica, not an original artifact, but it's part of our permanent local history collection. The broken section is the clock face. It can be repaired. Oh, thank goodness. However, repair has a cost, and the exhibit will need to come down for several weeks.
We'll pay for the repair, of course.
The cost will depend on the conservator's assessment. We'll contact you.
Whatever it is, we'll pay it.
Josh, do you understand why we have rules in museums?
Because the things are old, and you can't get them back. Exactly, once something is broken or lost, it's gone.
We keep these things for everyone, for your children one day, and for their children too.
I'm really sorry, I really am.
I believe you.
Are we poor now?
What?
Because we have to pay for the clock tower. Are we poor?
No, Josh, we're not poor.
How much will it cost?
We don't know yet.
More than £100?
Possibly.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Josh, look at me. You made a mistake, a real one. You were too close to something you shouldn't have been close to, and something broke. That's serious.
I know.
But here's what I also know. You told the truth. You didn't lie to that curator. You didn't make excuses. You looked her in the eye and you told her exactly what happened.
Dad, she was scary.
She was very scary, and you still told the truth.
Are you proud of me, even a little bit?
I'm proud of how you handled it after, yes.
But not the elbow part.
Definitely not the elbow part.
Josh, the most important thing now is that you understand museums, galleries, historic buildings. These places hold things that cannot be replaced. Part of being in those spaces is respecting them, not just for the rules, but because those things belong to everyone.
Okay, Mom, I understand. I should say something.
Mira?
I said I was going to tell them your full name.
Joshua Carter, yeah.
I didn't actually do it, but you pointed at me immediately. That was different. That was just geography. Geography? You were standing right there. It was very obvious. But you didn't say my full name. I would never actually do that. Really? You are my brother. We're family. Yeah, we are. Dad!
That's the new word she learnt. She doesn't really know what she's doing. She absolutely knows what she's doing. Mr. Carter.
I wanted to ask, is there anything we can do today? While we're here.
What do you mean?
Josh is 9. He caused damage. He's upset about it. I want him to understand the consequence, but also that he can do something, even something small.
What did you have in mind?
Honestly, whatever you think is appropriate. He's a good kid. He just gets too close to things.
Come with me. This is where we repair and restore our collection. Mr. Harry, would you mind showing this family what we do here?
Of course. Come in, come in.
We're behind the scenes. This is where the real stuff happens.
Right, so this is the conservation studio. This is where broken or damaged objects come to be repaired, very carefully.
What are you working on?
This is an old photograph, about 90 years old. Someone found it in their attic and donated it to the museum. See where it's torn?
Sorry, my habit.
It's okay, you can look. Just don't breathe too hard on it.
What do you do with it?
We repair the tear with a special tissue paper and adhesive. We scan it digitally so we have a copy. And then we store it safely so it lasts another 100 years.
100 years?
When your grandchildren come to this museum, they might see this photograph, depending on what decisions we make today.
That's a big responsibility.
It is.
Is it hard, your job?
Honestly, it requires enormous patience. You can't rush, you can't force anything. One wrong move and you've made it worse.
He's a curious one. Dangerously curious. The best kind, usually. Yes, usually. Mr. and Mrs. Carter, one moment.
Of course.
Josh, I've spoken with our conservator and our director. The clock tower model, the broken section, Mr. Harry believes he can repair it this week.
The damage is less severe than we first thought.
Yes, really. And because you were honest, and because your father spoke so thoughtfully to me, we've decided not to charge for the repair.
That's very generous, but we're happy to...
We'll cover it this time. On one condition.
What condition?
You come back. When the model is repaired and back on display, you come back and you look at it properly with your eyes from the correct distance.
Okay, I will.
Deal?
Deal.
He's a good boy. Yes, he really is. Bring him back in a few weeks.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.